Hi all, welcome to our channel. So guys, this is very important about the WordPress to activation Google Search Console option. So, I don't have any cPanel access. In your particular WordPress, how we can activate Google Search Console option. So I'm selecting for this website, IO Academy. They're providing for SA Constable training for this particular website. In this particular website, how we can add in for Google Search Console. First of all, we can open for Search Console option. There's a particular website is there. Click for Start Now. There's a link will be here already. We can add it here, but this link will be working or not. They can add by here. Any website link you added, they can activate will be 5 steps. One is HTML file upload on cPanel, HTML tag, Google Analytics, Tag Manager, Domain Provider. Selecting this option, you can copy this one. We have two options. One is called Go for Plugin. Second one, Appearance, Theme File Editor. In this theme file editor, there is option call is we have to use option name is called in the right side corner and the left side corner. They will using for header.php file. It is acceptance. We can go ahead. Suppose this code will be not accept this header.php. We can go with through plugin option. So header.php is not valid. We can go to option name is called plugin is there. We can go here, click for verify. So I'm going to the verify this procedure. Maybe it is verified that header.php is working. Maximum without plugin, we can activate by the Google Search Console option. So this method we have to follow will be here into the particular website. Suppose, so with the plugin will be which is better. We can go to the plugin option. We have the option name is called add new plugin. Common one plugin is there. The plugin name is called, when you click for insert head, automatically they will visible by the insert header and footer plugin that we can use for the particular option. So that is the we can using will be here that we can use this when click this option, check the proper plugin that is I will be using for screenshot. So screenshot we can visible by the particular option, not like that. Insert header and footer. When searching this complete plugin name, here is that. When click, easily how to know this one, there is a call, this kind of screenshots. Easily find out they will be how body, header and footer. Three will be acceptance will be here. Simply you can install this plugin, add the code will be into the insert header and footer also will be acceptable. First I'm installing this plugin here. Plugin installation we can activate. So after activate, where you can find out this plugin. This much of will be very much of question is there. Same coding, we can go to setting option. Here is that we have to follow the conditions are here. So where you can find out this every option will be here. So we can go to will be dashboard. In this setting, header and footer. Header, you can upload the code. Click for save change. We have to method will be follow will be two options. Two activation will be code. Script header, script body, and script footer. Where you can add the code, you can add the code will be here. But always Google Search Console code add on your main header page option. Don't use the footer page option. Follow this condition to activate Google Search Console. It activate or not, how to know this? Copy this URL, click for URL inspection and search it. The show option will be here. So what are the content you will be here? That all will be showing to the particular users. So that will be into URL option will be here. So if you want request to reindex any content you changing anything will be here. We can go to this option, click for text to live URL option. This is compulsory. We can follow the condition each and every web pages to activation will be Google Search Console option. So any WordPress you have to any doubts will be there. Please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.